Today we're moving out our friend Max from I-694 East to WKL 12.
Okay.
That was sexy. Ugh, look at that rust bucket.
That's it.
That's all, folks. Go home now.
Go for it. Go for it. You'll be all right. Keep going.
Channel. Over here we have a 4x7-inch trailer hitch. We used it to transform both a mattress and a lifestyle, honestly. Between the let me show you guys inside. Over here is where we place the mattress, and over here is where we place the kitchen table, and then we had some various other things over there. I was worried that Max didn't get a big enough one, but everything fit perfectly. And this is where I'm gonna sit on my drive home. I'm just gonna sit down right here, I think. Well, my hiney is cold now. Don't put that in the video. It's bad that I said that word. Thank you.
Now, Stephanie, you gotta lift the little latch thingy. See the little latch under the latch? Lift it and then pull. It's gotta click. Gotta click. Push hard.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, check out one of my other U-Haul videos. I dive deep into the specifics, the driving experience, the renting experience, and the price of it all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.